Yep, this is jumper cable fix. Some people might have jumper cables that tore off. As you can see, it broke off from being poorly stored. And all you gotta do, this is the side it was originally on. You pull off the cover from the other side, you will see there's a new crimp. You can easily put it on this side. I'm gonna pull this side off just to show you that it's cramped on this side, and as you can see, the wire just tore off. Okay, as well as one of the negative sides, it tore off too. You see, just like on the positive side, the negative side can be replaced too. Put those there. And this is the other positive handle. As you can see, it tore off. And all four cables have a whole nother side you can replace them with. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the old blade and I'm gonna just cut off a piece of the plastic. I can do this without cutting my damn hand. See, just expose a new piece of wire, and you can see how they got it here. Just crimp that a little bit. I'll put that in there like so. Just take a pair of pliers. Gonna bend these back tabs down just to hold it in place. And I'm skipping a step. You might want to put this on first. Don't forget that part. Let's slide this back in like so. Get at a nice squeeze. Don't gotta be perfect, because it's gonna be inside the cover, like so. I'm gonna give that a squeeze. Nice tight squeeze. Like so. And just simply push that back over. And there you have it. Just put the other cover back on. And it's a nice fix. Just repeat that with all the sides that are broken, and you're good to go. Cable fixed.